Hold on to your socks, Kirby.
3, 2, 1.
Now it's time
To dig and discover.
This time on More with Kinetic Sand.
Carter, Kirby, it's time for Dig and Discover Demolition Edition Rematch. Last year, you went head-to-head to see who could find the most bricks amongst the Kinetic Sand rubble. Who will win this rematch? Whoever can find the most items amongst the Kinetic Sand rubble wins!
3, 2, 1.
Dang, this sand is like kind of stiff. Not gonna lie. No, I'm not gonna care about the twist right now. Yeah, I found 2 bricks.
We having debris, baby.
I'm setting the cones on the side because I'm debating if I want to put them in it. Small brick.
What is this thing? Oh, it's a cone. Small brick. Then we got a big brick.
I got a lot.
I got half of a cup.
Kirby wins! Let's build our own Kinetic Sand house. It's time to pave and play.
I'm getting the chills just thinking about the coming snow.
The holidays are right around the corner.
Next week, we're kicking off a month of winter fun.
You won't want to miss it.
We'll see you next time. Bye.